The chemical recovery boiler is a major component of the liquor cycle in a pulp mill. Strong black liquor is burned in recovery boilers to recover sodium, while steam is produced for use by production. A reliable, stable, and efficient recovery process has the potential to significantly reduce costs. Conversely, if the recovery boiler is the bottleneck, it can impact the production of the entire mill. Recovery boilers are among the most complicated combustion processes used in industry today. Black liquor is not a consistent fuel, organic content varies, and the BTU value of the organic constituent also varies. Residue from the liquor combustion process collects in the tube banks of the various sections of the boiler, causing a boiler to foul. Consistent boiler operations is critical to complete the chemical reaction in the smelt bed, and therefore minimize the upper furnace fouling. Orion, a leader in process control solutions, can assist you in solving these complex issues. Innovative designs, proven experience, and total installation capabilities provide the foundation for Orion's unique and unprecedented ability to supply fully integrated automation solutions. In the next few minutes, we will provide you with an overview of Orion's CyberBOILER technologies. CyberBOILER eliminates the guesswork in recovery boiler control. CyberBOILER provides complete automatic control of the recovery process. Key process improvements provided within CyberBOILER typically include increased liquor throughput of 5 to 20%, improved boiler thermal efficiency of 1 to 2%, increased time between water washes up to 50%, reduced emissions up to 60%, increased reduction efficiency as much as 2%, reduce green liquor density variations up to 80%, reduce the steam flow standard deviations by 25 to 50%, reduce shift-to-shift operational deviations by 50 to 80%, and improve safety. Your benefits are dependent on specific mill operations, instrumentation, and conditions. These can be determined in an Orion Phase 1 study. CyberBOILER is a control strategy that provides complete automatic control of the boiler process and implements control algorithms that improve operation. Major features include all accepted methods of automatic operation, including constant BTU, constant solids, or constant liquor flow, total single knob control, automatic heat up and liquor ramping, coordinated load change, emissions constraint control, dynamic oxygen control, throughput maximization, blackout detection and prevention, boiler fouling index, and efficiency calculations. Orion has extensive experience in recovery boiler operations and control. Bob Sabin is a senior consultant with Orion.
In short, CyberBOILER can accomplish three things for a mill: an increase in liquor throughput, an improvement in boiler efficiency, and a reduction in the unit's fouling or pluggage.
All this is done while staying within emissions constraints and within the other limitations of the process.
There's several ways to fire liquor in the boiler. Most commonly we find mills running on a constant flow or a constant solids method of liquor firing. Our preference is constant BTU liquor firing. This provides an improved level of stability in the process and allows us to optimize the boiler to its limiting constraint.
Scott Pettigrew is the product manager for CyberBOILER.
By stabilizing the BTUs into the furnace, we create stable steam flow into the header and very stable emissions on the boiler.
Often we find recovery boilers running with an excess O2 reading of 3, 5, even 7%. On CyberBOILER, you can expect that your recovery boiler will be running with an excess O2 reading steady in the 1 to 1.5% range. That's a big efficiency improvement and a big improvement in the stability of the process.
We've developed a very straightforward, easy, intuitive operator interface with a single knob approach to controlling the boiler.
Bill Thaxton is an Orion consulting engineer.
Under full automatic operation, the production rate for the recovery process is set with a single operator input to the CyberBOILER system. With the production rate entered by operations, the system then controls all process parameters for optimal performance at the desired load.
Paul Rogers is an Orion consulting engineer.
CyberBOILER controls boiler startup automatically. This functionality ensures the boiler is protected from excessive temperature stresses caused by improper heat-up rates.
Ramping under full automatic maximizes efficiency and minimizes carryover and emissions by making smooth transitions with all process parameters in balance.
Additional packages provided for the recovery boiler include CyberFlame, proven flame safety optimization, and CyberSoot, soot blowing optimization.
Orion can also provide leak detection functionality with a CyberBOILER system. The advantage of our approach is that we protect against false alarming while still providing very sensitive leak detection.
Dr. Ray Kirby is the manager of cyber product development.
An important part of our project scope is operator training. Orion provides comprehensive operator training on site with high-fidelity process simulation.
Doug Smiley is a senior project manager.
Recovery boiler projects and the chemical recovery process in a paper mill is a fairly complex process. It has a lot of aspects, and I think one of Orion's strengths is having people that are aware of all these aspects, starting with our stationary firing nozzles for injecting the liquor into the recovery boilers, through being able to implement the design engineering for all field devices, as well as to do the advanced control strategies and the regulatory control strategies. And we're familiar with all the latest standards. So I think you'll find that Orion has a wide variety of experienced personnel, so that if we can focus on the whole project or any part of it, we have an understanding of the entire process.
Chip Rennie is Vice President of Energy Solutions.
Optimization systems in general cannot contribute to your bottom line unless they're used. The design of Orion systems are robust enough to allow us to guarantee a 95% or greater uptime.
All Cyber Series solutions have one common objective: providing a substantial return on your investment through advanced automation of your mill, assuring minimum cost with optimum quality, safety, and environmental performance. CyberBOILER will substantially improve recovery boiler performance while minimizing environmental impact and reducing production costs for your mill.
At Orion, we have a plan to improve your mill operations and asset utilization. We guarantee our results both in terms of return on investment and achieving specific project performance objectives. That's our commitment to you.
CyberBOILER systems, when integrated with other Cyber Series solutions, will provide unmatched performance in cost reduction, reliability, and regulatory compliance.